Hi, I'm Mark Garner, and today you join me in another 4-bed detached property on this new build development in Telford. Again, we're very close to Telford Town Centre, the M54 Junctions 5 and 6, and we've got the Wrekin not too far away as well. So this is a show home. It's not the plot that we're selling. The plot that we're selling is on the market for 362,995, but I wanted to show you around this property so again you can see what is possible with a 4-bed detached like this. So let's get you around this property. Follow me. Now, I really do hope you've liked and enjoyed this tour. If you are interested in knowing more about the properties we've got available on this development in Telford, then contact me on 077 89 647 226. My email is mark.garner@exp.uk.com, or you can reach out to me on any of the social media channels that you found this video on. Well, that's me done for now. I really do hope you've enjoyed this, and it's time to say goodbye. So until next time.